Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. How exciting. So much so that I have a household items haul and a whole separate beauty, makeup, self-care kind of haul too. I found so many fun finds. Now this one has repurchases in it with a few new items, and I can't wait to share them all. So we're going to go through the stuff that I purchased before. So let's get started. Aluminum foil, 40 square feet. I'm always repurchasing this and the foil sheets. I wanted the roll this time. And then finally, after months, this was the only pack my Dollar Tree actually had, is the Scrub Buddies Nail Guard sponges. These are my favorite sponges. You get 6 for $1.25. These help protect my manicures because my hands are always in water. I love these. I've been using these dishcloths like this from Dollar General. I still will continue to use these, but if I feel like I want to grab a sponge, I'll have these in the cabinet ready to go. This is the all-purpose cleaner, and it's in the pink formula, and everybody was raving and going on about, you know, this pink cleaner. And you get 32 fluid ounces. It says it's vegan, streak free, sparkling clean, tough on grease and grime. So you could use this in any room essentially. So it does come with a spray nozzle. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. It's especially formulated to be tough on grease and grime. Pink formula, penetrates deep and leaves clean, shiny results. So there's some directions and all that stuff too. But yeah, so excited to find this and try it out. I feel like it wouldn't be a Dollar Tree trip unless it was like stocking up on medications because they're so affordable there. And this time we got the 1.5 ounce arthritis and muscle cream, and then lots of these medications here because Connor has already been sick this year. Although he does do doctor visits if he has a really bad like cold. Otherwise, we just obviously treat it at home, and I needed to stock up on some medications. So I wanted to get some more of this allergy medicine, which is fantastic and works amazing. It does have active ingredients like Benadryl though, so it does make them sleepy, so you want to note that. So I got that. I did pick up 2 of these daytime cold and flu. These actually work really nicely as well. They come with a little measuring cup as well. And these are safe for children to take as well. They don't have the alcohol in them. So 2 of those. This is a Robitussin one, and it's a cough and chest relief. This is for adults. And then this nighttime cold and flu relief. And this is also for adults, not for children. And then I found these yesterday, the Women's Daily with Iron. And sometimes my iron does get low, and so I was kind of intrigued. So, I don't know. I mean, you get 30 tablets in there for $1.25. You really can't beat that. And, yeah, maybe they're good. We are on our way to being prepared for cold and flu season. Stuff not shown. Connor got some slime, a Halloween skeleton decoration, and a squishy like little grape toy. Yeah, and he also picked this out. And this is the Brush Buddies from Crayola, and this is the anti-cavity fluoride mouthwash. And of course he picked the watermelon one, bubblegum scented flavor one as well. And he's already tried this. He said he likes it also. So it's kid approved, and it's 12 ounces for $1.25. Can't beat that. He already uses the watermelon flavored toothpaste, so they go hand in hand. And I needed another lint roller, so from the Laundry Essentials, this has got 75 sheets in it, $1.25, and yeah. So picked up a lint roller, needed one. And for Oscar, we found these Grill House Porterhouse flavor little treats. So those are cute. You get 4.5 ounces. I always like to buy his treats there. Like, I feel like just like with everything else, everything is outrageously priced right now. The Dollar Tree, I like getting his treats there because they're still fairly priced. And last but not least, these are totally random items. So we picked up a new magnifying glass. This is from the Jot brand for $1.25. This thing is huge. So it's pretty big. And it does 3 times. And just for, in general, magnifying. And I like to use the magnifying glass when I'm doing very, very tiny details of filling in like my nail art. So we picked this up. I just happened to randomly see it, so we grabbed that. And randomly also, they luckily had some little umbrellas. They had these in blue and black, and I picked the black one. I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we shall see. Because every morning I have to walk Connor to the bus stop. The bus doesn't come down our road. We have like a bus stop where everyone just meets and we're there waiting for the bus. So some mornings it's just kind of drizzling, so I needed an umbrella to walk down there with him. And then if it's going to be pouring or snowing or whatever, I could drive the car, which I will do that. For now, little drizzles and stuff, just light rain, we will use the umbrella. And then last but not least, this little mini vacuum. It's a USB mini vacuum cleaner for $1.25. They have these in pink, blue, and a green color. This is so adorable and so neat. John and I have already tested it out. So for quickness, I'll just say it does work. It's not super powerful. I mean, it was only $1.25, but cleaning up small messes, it totally works. So you have your power, you have to constantly hold that down, and then you have this, which releases the top. You do have to put together like a filter that's inside of there. I don't know, but that's easy. Also, this is completely open, so when you do vacuum something up, carry it to the garbage can like this. Otherwise, everything you vacuumed up is coming back out the top there. We use this. It's really convenient for little tiny small messes. It's pretty neat that it does work. And it has a pretty long cord on it. That is all the home items I found today at Dollar Tree. Hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.